Yep, I'm wearing the same thing I was wearing in my last video. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to bring back my Toiletry pouch 26. I've been meaning to do this video for quite some time. I even recorded it a couple of times and it just didn't work, so I am just basically re-recording it and hopefully everything goes fine this time. But basically I want to talk about what I want to talk about in today's video is the insert as well as the strap options I have for my Toiletry pouch 26, and particularly because everything that I'm going to show you today is from Amazon. And yes, there's so many places and so many options for you to get, especially when it comes to like inserts and chains and straps and stuff like that. But I feel like when it comes to other platforms like Etsy, Zumoni, Samora, things like that, although they do have really good organizers, it just takes a really long time to get your shipment. And then you don't know if you're going to like it or not. And then it's just hard to return because everything is coming from outside, from another country. And it's just difficult, you know. So for me, I always prefer to take the Amazon route. You guys know how much I love Amazon. I get a lot of stuff from there, and it's really good with Amazon because it's easy returns. If you don't like it, it's easy returns. And then the shipping is fast. If you have Amazon Prime, it comes to you in 2 days and it's just amazing. And for me, I don't like to get or buy my insert until I order the bag. And then when I order the bag, it just takes like a couple of days for me to get it. And then when I get the bag, I can't wait to use it. But then if I don't have organizer, it's just like I can't use it. You know what I mean? So anyways, the point I'm trying to make is that I got all of these things from Amazon. And if you are interested in anything that I'm going to talk about today, then definitely check the description box down below because I'll leave direct links to everything. I want to help you guys, and obviously this is not sponsored, and I mean my channel is not even that big to sponsor anything or get sponsorships, but basically I want to just help you guys if you guys are looking for similar things, you know. But yeah, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn the camera around and basically give you a good look, like good zoomed in look into everything that I'm going to talk about today. All right, so the camera has been turned now, and I want to start off by kind of giving you a quick overview of the pouch, although I know you guys have seen it, but I just have to do that. So it's a one continuous piece of canvas that goes all the way around. So this side is straight and then the other side is upside down, and obviously this is the monogram canvas. Here is the tag where it says that it's made in Spain, and this is my only made in Spain piece. Everything else is just made in USA, Spain, Italy, France, everywhere else. This is how it is on the inside. It's got this wipeable kind of lining, which I really love. In here are the tags, and this is the insert that I got for this pouch. So that's what it looks like on the inside. It's got one pocket here, and then here is the middle section, and then on the other side is where you have all these spaces for card, and then yeah, and then just middle section, and then you have two D-rings here to hook your the straps onto. And this is also actually like a wipeable material, so like very similar to the kind that we have on the inside. Obviously this one here is a little bit more luxurious than this one, but I think it does the job. Okay, so I just inserted it on the inside, and as you can see, it fits so nicely. There's no gaps or anything like that. I mean, it fits nicely. It's tight enough not to be like pressing on the sides. As you can see, it's still pretty like soft and malleable, and I just really do appreciate, I really do love a lot about this organizer, that it's very soft, yet it's kind of firm to make the bag stand straight. I mean, it's not standing straight right now, but once you kind of put things in, it does stand up straight. Let's talk about the strap now. So the first strap I have is this chain strap. I actually got this a while ago to use with my Pochette accessoire, but I mean, it's been, I think, a year and a half since I got it, but it's so shiny. It has not turned colors or anything like that. It is substantial weight, and this one is also from Amazon. I think I have said that already, but yeah, it's just really good. I'll leave a link to this one as well. It might be a little bit hard to find this one because it's been a while, but I'll try my best to link it for you. And then let me show you the other strap. So the other strap I have is this strap over here. Now this, I came to know about this strap through Reshmi here on YouTube. She also has a YouTube channel actually. So she was the one, I was talking to her and I told her that I'm looking for a good strap, and she's the one who suggested this one. So yeah, but this one is really nice. I really do love this strap too. It's thick, it's like a guitar strap, it is adjustable, and it comes in other colors. If you don't like this one, then you can get any colors you want. I think I can't remember right now how many color options are there, but I went with pink because I feel like pink and monogram just looks really, really nice, you know. So that's why I went with pink. Plus, what's cool about this strap is that it's got this little kind of like vachetta tab, you know. So it goes with this bag really well because, you know, it's all this bag has also, I mean, this pouch has also a vachetta tab, so it kind of looks nice. But yeah, it may be a little bit darker than the tab, but the difference is so subtle, I think it doesn't even matter. But yeah, so let me put on each of these straps on the pouch here on the insert, and then I will show you what they look like. I'll also insert some mod shots at the end so you guys can see how it looks on me wearing it. But yeah, let's do that. So there's actually a third strap that I also have that I plan to use with this bag, and I think this strap is really, really good because you can literally combine this strap along with this strap and it'll give you cuisine type of look for this pouch. So I'll show you how you could create that look, but I just wanted to just basically show you this chain over here. This chain is very chunky. I mean, it's heavy as well. I mean, it's not heavy, but it is substantial. It's not flimsy. And I just really like these square type of loops, I guess is what you call them. But this chain is also really good. This one is a little bit hard to put on just because the way the clasp is. But let me show you, let me put this one on and I'll show you this one as well. So now I put this strap, this chunky strap, as well as the guitar strap on here just to see and give it that cuisine look. So that's what it looks like. And obviously cuisine has, this chain on cuisine is a little bit longer. It's not this short, so it's not going to be exact. But I feel like this is still pretty good because this chain over here just gives it a really nice look, you know. And this is how I've attached the straps right over here. And then this is also, both of these straps are going underneath on the flap here. There we go, and I'll just close it so you guys can see how it looks. But all right, so here is that. Here we have our cuisine look for less. I guess this is called Amazon cuisine look. But yeah, that's how it's gonna look like with the cuisine kind of inspired look. So this obviously is my favorite look out of all of them. I feel like the strap is just amazing. It's super comfortable as well. And it is, this chunky strap on here does make this a little bit heavy, but I feel like it's nothing that can't be handled. Plus the fact that we have this super comfortable strap just makes it super easy to carry and super comfortable. So yeah, that's basically all the 3 strap options that I wanted to show you guys. We have this one over here and then these 2 along with the insert that I showed you earlier. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video and enjoy videos like this one. Let me know in the comment box down below just so I know if I should continue doing videos like this before. If I should continue doing videos like this in the future. And stay tuned, I will insert some mod shots where I will try on all of these different straps for you guys in this pouch. I took these mod shots earlier. Like I said, I planned to do this video, or I tried to do this video several times in the past. And so basically this is when I had done the mod shots. So I'll insert those mod shots. I think they are still good to go. But just for your reference, I'm 5'5" and I weigh about 140 pounds. But that does it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I really appreciate all of your support. Thank you so much once again. I'll see you guys now in my next video very soon. Till then, take care, stay safe.